at Majestic 1806 since showing day. So right when you walk in, you do get a nice clean smell, so it makes me pretty happy. This seems like a really well maintained condo. Other than the colors of the walls, you can overlook that. And then the carpet, I feel there should be a carpet allowance and a painting allowance for this particular condo. So considering an offer, I would go ahead and consider maybe a paint allowance. Paint's pretty cheap, but if nothing else, maybe a carpet allowance to purchase this one and leave yourself just a slight room for repairs. There's just a few little cosmetic details that need to be addressed, but that's typical in a rental. So you've got these plantation shutters, which is a nice feature, kind of gives it an air of class, a little bit nicer than, you know, just standard blinds. This is your first bedroom with a day bed, not very big. You've got some shallow closets here, kind of give you a little bit of a look here. I'll try to keep in mind that people are watching this and I'm just sort of like walking through here. So like I had mentioned, the carpet, you know, it's better in that little green room than it is here in this pink room. So I would say either have them do a good deep clean before they leave on any offer, or consider getting some sort of carpet allowance, like I said. You know, or maybe ask them to take that off the price. There's a little shallow closet there. And then this bedroom, this pink princess room, and the little green room share this bathroom here, which has a door that leads out to the hallway and then a door to this bedroom. So this condo does come completely furnished, and one of the things I really like about it is how close it is to the elevator. So that's a tremendous selling point. You do not have to go all the way down the hallway to bring your luggage to the condo. So this is a really spacious laundry room area here, has additional cabinets. This here would be a locked owner's closet, so that's perfect for your housekeeper to keep all of their goodies. Here is the HVAC closet and the water heater. Those do look original. You may consider buying a warranty for your condo. So this kitchen feels really wide and open. The countertops are all real nice and clean, no big stains or nicks or marks. And you've got this really cool little island here. It's pretty nice for a 3-bedroom. I think you can get a couple people in here without running into each other. Here's your white Frigidaire appliance, and then your pantry here. Obviously it's empty. We're in a rental. So keep in mind, this is a very spacious condo, but they do have the bright walls, which makes it feel so much smaller. And the large pieces of furniture, which, you know, they can be reduced. I think a lot of this furniture is great, but obviously this is more a second home to them. Like I said, that they sort of rent out themselves. What's really cool about Majestic is they do have these neat little bar spots, and that is actually an ice maker. It's pretty cool little bar area. But when you have a bar area with carpet and a rental, you do get that. So that's something that I would definitely never have carpet and a rental ever. I don't care where you're at in Florida or anywhere near the beach, you just need to have that. Now, before I show you the master, I'll go ahead and give you a quick view of this balcony. The master is fabulous. I've already been in the blue room. It has some great little details, and they've got some massive furniture in here. So if you reduce any of this, you very well could put, I wouldn't really do it, but you could put like a set of bunks or a little day bed in here as well. So you can kind of get a good sense of the space. Now, you go in through here, and you have like a vanity. Very cool. So this allows whoever to go ahead and get ready while, you know, you're using this bathroom, because there are only two restrooms in this particular unit. You've got this really deep, oh, it's like walk-in. you could really walk in here. Big closet. And then here's your master bath. Very nice. If they still have this tile, I might just take the tile and continue completely through there, but I've got the tub there. Double vanities, stand-up shower. And your toilet here. So kind of going through here, it's a tremendous amount of space. They really spoiled the master. I love that it has a golf front master. That is a very good selling point. Resale, and I shut that door there. Now these are some heavy duty doors, so they're up to code for hurricane, and they roll very nicely, unlike the ones that were out there in the Summit. Oh, let me put my sunglasses on. We got a slight overcast day, but not bad. There's just a ton of people here. So this here is Tower 2, and then Tower 1 would have that row of chairs. So again, this is kind of the property there. And it stretches all the way out to the, let's see, these are usable too. So that last dock right, or excuse me, that last boardwalk right there with the little kayak is still Majestic property. So you can use any of those poolside bars, any of that right there. All right, that concludes your tour. I'll kind of go right back through here. And if you've got any questions, please do let me know. If we need any additional financial information, any budget information to get going on Majestic. My overall, opinion, I think that what would jump at me as a buyer would be the carpet, really. That the carpet does need some attention, and then just a few small fixes here and there. That are maybe weather seal in a particular area, and then there's one little piece in the bathroom that needs some caulking and repair. But other than that, I'd say this is a pretty solid condo. So it's looking good, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed, and it was a little bit better than the last one. Have a great day.